Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what Propertyware is and how it helps renting property managers. Propertyware is a cloud-based platform made for managing single-family rentals. It helps you stay organized, automate tenant communication, manage accounting all in one place. Whether you manage 10 units or 1,000, Propertyware is built to help you scale efficiently. In this video, we will show you the key features, how they help your business, and why it is a top choice in 2025. Let's start with the main features. Tenant and lease management. You can manage leases, tenant informations, messages all from one dashboard. It includes a digital application, lease renewal, built-in messages. This will make an onboarding faster and reduce paperwork. 2. Maintenance management. Tenants can submit online requests. You can assign vendors and track progress easily. All updates are automatically saved, helping you respond faster and keep everything in check. 3. Owner and tenant portal. Tenant can pay rent, send service requests, and owner can view the reports, check balances, and see updates in real time. This means fewer phone calls and better transparency for everyone. 4. Accounting and reporting. Propertyware includes a full trust accounting, auto rent collections, custom report, and this will help you to save time, keep book clean, and get real financial insights. So why use Propertyware? It's flexible and built to scale. Whether you are a solo landlord or run a full management company, it works for you a lot. Features like automation, custom workflow, built-in accounting help reduce manual work and make your job more efficient. With Propertyware, you give both owner and tenants a professional and easy experience. In 2025, property management is about using smart tools. So Propertyware brings together leasing, maintenance, accounting in one smooth system. If you want to simplify your process, grow your rental business, then Propertyware is a powerful platform to try. So get started today and bring your clarity to your property management. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe for more helpful tips. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.